welcome back to my channel. In before section we have learned the first exercise of problems on exercise 3b. Now we'll go for the second exercise, first problem. So here they have given one matrix and they asked to find out a power 4. So a power 4 is nothing but a square into a square. A power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. Here 2 plus 2 equals to 4. So first we have to do a square, right? What a square means? A into a. Then 300 030 003 and 300 003. Now multiply, you will get here 9 0 0 0 9 0 0 0 9. That's it. Now again what we have to do here, a square into a square. We have to do 2 times. This, don't confuse in it. This is the a square term. Now multiply this as 2 times. 9 it is, and 9 0 0 0 9 0 0 9. Then you will get simply 81 0 0 0 81 0 0 0 81. So this is the value of a power 4. Next we will go for the another problem. Or you can write, see here 81, you take common here, then you will get the I here. Why? Because 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 means nothing but identity matrix of order 3. You can also write here 9 as common means the remaining will be order 3 by 3. That's your wish. So they asked you to find out a power 4. So the value is a1 I3. Or you can write this matrix also. Next we will go for the another problem. So this is another problem here, second one, second Roman. A, they have given one matrix and they have asked to find out a cube. So first a cube is a square into a, right? A square into a. Don't confuse in between a power 4 and a cube. A square into a. First you have to find out a square. A square is a into a. First do a into a. 5 2 6 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 1 1 3 5 2 6 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. So 1 plus 5 minus 6 1 plus 2 minus 3 3 plus here 6 it is 6 9. What's this? 5. Okay. 5 plus 10 minus 12. 5 plus 4 minus 6. 15 plus 12 minus 18. Minus 2 minus 5 plus 6. Minus 2 minus 2 plus 3. Minus 6 plus 9. Then you will get 0 0 0 10 15 minus 12 3 3 9 minus 1 minus 1 minus 3. So this is the value of a square. Okay. Now we have to multiply with the a. Don't confuse a. Most student will do here only mistake. What they have do, they will write here and they multiply again for this only. No, this is the a square term. Now we have to multiply with a. Okay, now we will see multiplication of a. Okay, here a square. So a square into a we have to do 9 minus 1 minus 1 minus 3 1 1 3 5 2 6 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Why? Because here all are 0. So without seeing only you can write here 0. Why? Because here all 0, everything will be multiplied with 0 means here 0. So 3 plus 3 is 15. 3 plus 6 minus 9. 9, 18, 27. So minus 1 here, minus 5 plus 6, and minus 1, minus 2 plus 3, minus 3, minus 6 plus 9. Right? Okay. You will get 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. That's it. So, and they have given I as the unit matrix for order thing. First we have to find out A cube. A cube means A square into A. First we have to find out A square. So first I am finding here A square, that is 1 minus 2 1, 0 1 minus 1, 3 minus 1 1, 1 minus 2 1, 0 1 minus 1, 3 minus 1 1. Then multiplying you will get 5 4 minus 3 2 minus 2. Again here 1 1 minus 2 1, 0 1 minus 1, 3 minus 1 1. Okay, now we have to solve 4. 16 is the value of A cube. Next, the value A cube minus 3A square minus A minus 3I. Here I is we have to write 3 by 3. Why? Because every matrix are in the 3 by 3 only. So the order of unit matrix should have to write 3 by 3 only. Next, now multiply this 3 for every number. Okay. Now 16 minus 12 minus 1 minus 3 minus 17 plus 15 plus 2. Why? Because here 0. So leave it that 0 value. Then the answer is 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So 0, that means 0 matrix will be indicated as 3 by 3. That's it. Simple. Next problem. Our next problem is very important. They have asked many times. So simple only. They have already given I value and E matrix. That means they have given I matrix and E matrix, and you have to substitute here. Okay. First, we have to prove this AI plus BE whole square equals to this. Okay. First, here what is there? So, AI. First, here AI is there. So, first to find out the AI value and again BE value, then you go for the square. Okay. Sorry, here cube. First, here A is the variable. I is 1001. Don't confuse, they have given variable. In before problems, they have given numbers, right? 2i, 3i, 3b, 3a like that. And they have given A matrix. But in here, they have given AI. They have given the matrix I value and A is the variable. We have to multiply each with the A 0, 0. Okay, don't confuse in it. And next, BE. B, keep it as it same. E is 0, 1, 0, 0. 0, B, 0, 0. AI and BE is completed. Now we have to do add, right? AI plus BE. First we have to do addition. Then you will get A0, 0A plus 0B, 0, 0. That equals to, I'll write here only, AB 0A cube. First to do cube, what we have to do? Square. First we have to make square. So, cube means nothing but AI plus BE whole square into AI plus BE. First we have to make square. AI plus BE value is this. Now we have to find out AI plus BE whole square value. AI plus BE into AI plus BE. This is the multiply. A square plus B into 0, 0. Okay. Next, A into B, AB. Plus B into A, BA. 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0. Here 0 plus A square. A square. See here, AB plus BA means you can write AB. You can write as a AB. Okay. BA you can write as AB. Then you will get here 2AB. Here also many students will do mistake. A square plus B square they will write. Don't write like this. 2AB. When you do addition, 2AB. Two terms are adding here. 0 and A square. Okay. Now this is the value of AI plus B whole square. This is the value of this. Now we have to find out here cube value. Right? Okay. For this, I write here AI plus BE whole cube means AI plus BE whole square into AI plus BE. Now this, the value of this is A square 2AB 0 A square. Already we have find out this AI plus BE. The value of that is AB 0A. Now again you have to do like A square into A is A cube. Okay. A power M into A power N equal to A power M plus 1. If anything power is not showing is that equals to 1 only. Next, 2AB into 0, 0. Okay, leave it. A square into B, A square B. 2A B into A is 2A square B. Why? Because here is in multiplication. Here A will be square. 2A square B. 0. Here also 0. Here A cube. Okay. I will write here. A cube. Here also see here 2 terms. 2 plus 1 3A square B. 0 A cube. Okay. That is the value of this ai plus be whole cube. Next we have to prove a cube I plus 3a square b cube. So next we have, this is the LHS. Now we have to prove RHS. Plus 3a square be. Okay. Value for I and e. A cube into 1001 plus 3a square b. E term is 0100. Very simple. You have to multiply for this. A cube 0, 0 a cube plus all terms with this e into 0, 0, 3a square b, 0, 0. Now we have to add. We'll get a cube plus 0, a cube, 0 plus 3a square b, 0 a cube. See, both are equal. Hence, proved ai plus b whole cube equals to a cube I plus 3a square b. It's a very, very important. Don't confuse it. It is very simple problem. You have to substitute correct value what they have given. Don't confuse in it. Many people in tension, they will write here 1001. Here they have given E matrix as a 0100. Here only many students will do mistake, and here also 2a square b means they will write 2a power b power 4b square. Don't write. Here is in addition. Have to add the terms. Okay. It's a very, very important question for 4 marks. If you have any queries, just you can comment me in the comment box, and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet. And thank you.